Hello, my name is Joshua Clement with Reattach Contractors, and today we'll be discussing how to replace a chain in the back of a toilet. When replacing the chain in the back of a toilet tank, you're going to need a tool. The only tool is standard pair of pliers. First thing you want to do is shut off the water to the toilet, usually located on one of the sides of the toilet. Then you're going to flush to allow all the water to drain out of the back of the tank. Now we're going to take the lid to the back of the tank off. Your chain is connected to your handle. Take your standard pair of pliers and go ahead and bend the piece of metal that connects it to the handle. Now that that's done, you want to go to the two wings on the sides of the flappers and simply pull it off. Here's our flapper, and here's the chain we're going to be replacing. Take your pliers, go to the last link connected to the flapper, and go ahead and just bend it out a little bit. There's your old chain. Here's our new chain. We're going to bend the last link out with the pair of pliers, slip it over the link on the flapper, and bend it back. We're going to go ahead and put it back into the back of the tank. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and attach the wings to the overflow valve. As you do this, be gentle, making sure not to disturb anything that's already set in the back of the toilet. Reattach the chain to the handle. That's all there is to it. Now, turn your water back on, and you're done. I'm Josh with Reattach Contractors, and that's how you replace the chain in the back of a toilet tank.